Everybody, I'm here today with an easy driving lesson on vehicle safety checks. I will be going over 4 specific vehicle safety checks that you should be doing whenever you are getting ready to drive. These safety checks will cover a wide variety of things, and once you learn how to do them at an efficient pace, then they only take a quick minute. And you should be doing them pretty much before you start driving every single time. And it all depends. Some of them can be skipped if you are the only person driving that car. Then some of them can be skipped. But let me go over them so you fully understand what I'm talking about. Number 1 is what's called a 360 check. It's basically an all-around check around the exterior of the vehicle. So essentially, before you get into the car, what you want to do is just walk all the way around the vehicle, one full loop around the vehicle, and check out the actual vehicle. You want to take a look for any dents, damages, dings, flat tires, obstacles, obstructions, curbs, anything, trees that you didn't see, plants on the ground, I don't know, anything. You're looking at your vehicle for anything that will be problematic for your car, for you as a driver, or for the driving situation overall. Just walk around and take a look. It literally takes about 5 seconds once you learn what to look for. Yeah, that's it. Simple. The second vehicle safety check is the driver's seat, steering, and mirrors. Now, if you're the only one that drives your car, you don't really have to check these because they shouldn't be moved. However, if you alternate, like I alternate with my wife, we switch cars depending on who's driving the kids and whatnot. So we sort of switch. So I'll drive this car pretty much every second day, not to the exact schedule, but something along those lines. So whenever I get in the car and she's driven it last, I need to adjust the seat, I need to adjust the steering, I need to adjust the mirrors. Okay, it takes 3 seconds once you know how to adjust them properly. Just make sure that you can see through the mirrors properly. Make sure that your steering wheel is where it needs to be. Make sure that your seat is where it needs to be. It's as simple as that. If you're the only one driving your car, like I said, you can skip this step. Number 3, your dashboard. This takes 2 seconds. Once you start the car, look at your dashboard. Are there any weird lights that shouldn't be there? Okay. On my dashboard, it says that I'm in park, which is correct. And it says that my parking brake is on, which is correct. And it says that my seatbelt is off because I don't have my seatbelt on because I'm parked right now, which is correct. No weird lights turning on. It's all good. If you see a check engine light, an airbag light, an ABS light, or any other light, an low oil level light, any other light that is alarming, then you should address it immediately, okay? You might not be able to drive the car depending on which light is on, okay? And I suggest that you really follow the rules. I know you might have to get to work or something, but if it's a dangerous light and you shouldn't be driving the car, don't drive the car, okay? And then number 4 is basically around the vehicle, which is when you're in the car now and you're ready to drive, before you actually start driving, take a look at your mirrors. Look around the vehicle and just do like a quick scan like that around the vehicle. And that's because it's going to give you a different perspective than doing the 360 check. For the 360 check, you're looking at the actual car and the things that are within centimeters from the car. When I turn around, I spot a tree over there through that mirror. I spot a pole directly behind my car about maybe 15 feet back if I look through that mirror. And I see another car parked over there. So I couldn't see those things if I was doing my 360 check. So before you start driving, just look around the car. This way you know what's going on and you know how to react to those things. And that's literally it. It's that simple. That is my simple, those are my simple vehicle safety checks, a simple driving lesson. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.